We're here once again with a Project C6 Corvette. And if you're a Corvette fan, you may want to check out some of our other videos. We've already installed a ton of cool Oracle lighting products on this C6 Corvette. Today, we're going to show you how to install the Oracle SMD Sidemarkers. We make these for the C6 as well as the C7 Corvette. This is probably one of our most popular products when it comes to the vets. So we're going to remove these factory side markers, install the Oracle side markers, and the wiring connection is a simple plug and play into the factory connectors. You could order these in clear, painted, and ghosted options. If you want to find out more about that, be sure to also check out the video description for more details about that. Without further ado, let's turn it over to our tech team and let them show you how to install these side markers on your Corvette. So as you can see, these LED side markers make a huge visual impact on the C6 Corvette, and they're pretty easy to install as well. Remember, these are exclusively available through Oracle Lighting, so visit us online or give us a call to find a dealer near you.